Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi everyone, it's JansCrazyLife, and I have a couple of project shares. I'm going to have another one I made for flip books, but this is just going to be cards that I've been working on all week. So if you guys didn't watch my Friday Night Live, I was showing how to make these adorable flowers out of 1x1s. I'm trying to come up with ideas for the 1x1s because we're having a 1x1 swap. So this is the card that I made on the Friday Night Live, and how adorable is this, right? And then this is one that I made on my own time, and Kat from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts won this one on the live. But this is another one I made, and it has glitter on it to kind of look like fireworks. How adorable. So, okay, I made those two, and then I've been busy bee with cards. I made this one, oh, I have it upside down, out of 1x1s, and this is Wizard of Oz. And I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit, you guys can see a little better. And it says Somewhere Over the Rainbow. And then there is this one, and this says Tans fade, memories last forever, mermaids last forever. Memories, I think it is memories, sorry, memories. How, and this is dimensional, but this is all made by 1x1 squares. And then these are really, so these are the ones I did a giveaway on my live as well. So I made these, and they are 1x1 squares, and they're also embossed, so it looks like a quilt. And this one says, enjoy the little things, you can never have too much happy. And then there is this one, it says happy birthday. And then there's this one that says hello, smile, and then it says thank you. And so, Lisa from Lisa's Hauls won these 3 cards on my live. And then these are, so I made a birthday card because I needed to make one, and I love this. Simple and dimensional. And then I made these cards, and it was just a cute idea that I had, and I loved how they came out. So this one says, I like you because you're cheesy. So I love that one. Then there is, age only matters if you're cheese. So cute. And then check these out. There's, everything is more fun with you. How adorable, right? And then it has a s'more inside. And this one says, I love you s'more each day. Looks like a s'more. And then there. And then I made these. And this one says, happy B-Day. How cute, right? And then, and that's hexagons with 1x1s. And this one says, be happy. And this has the bee inside. And this one did too. So stinking cute. And that's a hexagon Fisker's Punch that I have. It is this. And then I made, these are all, okay, so I made some mermaid flip books, and this is all the scraps from me making those. And so it looks kind of like coral, but it's embossed, and then it's 1x1s that I cut with my scraps that were left. And this one says, the ocean is calling and I must go. And this one says, mermaids don't cry. And there's 3 pictures of mermaids, and it has all the embossing. And this one says, it's always the simple that produces the marvelous. And it's super embossed. And then this one says, mermaid hair and salty hair. So cute. The dimension in this card. And this one says, the ocean is calling and I must go. And then, be your own kind of mermaid. And mermaid hair and I don't care. And then it says, this one has like embossing circles on it. It says, I can't run, I'm a mermaid. And then last but not least is, I'm actually a mermaid. So cute. And they're all blank inside. I haven't decided. But if you made it this far, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 3, and I'm not sure which ones, 3 of these beach cards. And so if it's going to be a hidden giveaway with these cards. So if you want to be entered, I'm going to pick one winner. If you want to be entered, I want you to use the word, let's use the word no, because people might, okay, let's use the word be, how about, no, should we use the word, let's use the word water. So find a really like good way to not let everyone know it's a giveaway, the word water. If you use the word water in your comment, you'll be entered in the giveaway. So, thanks for watching, guys, and then I'll do a poll and then show you the ones. And I might pick 2 winners, who knows? We'll figure it out, because there's enough to do 3 cards of each or so. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Bye, guys.
Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do.